Inanyayahan po ang lahat na tumayo para sa panalangin na pangungunahan ng City Government of Antipolo, si Dodi Coronado.
Ilagay natin ang ating mga sarili sa presensya ng mahal na Panginoon, sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen. Diyos Ama, walang hanggang pasasalamat ang aming ibinabalik sa iyo sa lahat ng pagpapala, sa lahat ng biyaya, sa lahat ng pagmamahal, at sa patuloy na paggabay mo sa amin at sa aming mga pamilya. Patuloy po ninyo kaming gabayan, aming Ama, sa aming pagtahak sa buhay na puno ng alinlangan at pangamba. Dalangin po namin, Panginoon, ang gabay, pag-iingat at patnubay po ninyo sa aming lahat at sa mga kasamahan na naririto na naglilingkod sa ating bayan at sa buong mundo. Lakas, katatagan, paghilom at mga sagot sa aming dasal, lalo na ngayong panahon ng pandemya, ang patuloy naming hinihiling. Diyos Ama, humihingi din kami ng kapatawaran sa aming mga kahinaan, mga nagawang pagkukulang at pagkakasala. Ang lahat ng ito, Panginoon, ang aming samot dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus na ating manunubos, kasama ang mahal na Birhen ng Antipolo, ina ng kapayapaan at mabuting paglalakbay, ipanalangin niyo kami. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Bayang magiliw, perdas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng walhati't pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. May we request everyone to please take your seats. Reminder po to all our guests, please turn off your cellular phones or keep them on silent mode. When taking pictures, please turn off the flash. Please refrain from taking selfies or groupies so as not to interrupt the program flow. Please strictly observe social distancing for this event. As part of our health security measures, all our guests are strictly advised to regularly sanitize by washing your hands and use alcohol. Handshaking or any form of physical contact is temporarily not allowed. Stand-up distance of at least 2 meters from each other shall be strictly observed during the program. Thank you. We would like to acknowledge the following, our distinguished guests. Of course, the Secretary of the Department of Health and the IATF Chairperson, Secretary Francisco Duque. The IATF Vice Chairperson, DILG Secretary Eduardo Año. From the BCDA, Secretary Vivencio Dizon. DTI Secretary Ramon Lopez. Department of Labor and Employment Secretary Silvestre H. Bello III. DSWD Secretary Rolando Bautista. Yusek Isidro Purisima, NIC OPAP. Yusek Bernardo Florese Jr. from the DILG. DSWD Yusek Glenn Paje. Director General John Bertiz of TESDA. ASEC Francine Laksamana of the DOH. DOH 4A Director Paula Paz Sidyonko. DTI 4A, our Regional Director Marilu Toledo. Our friends from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Brigadier General Alex S. Rillela. Major General Arnulfo Marcelo B. Burgos Jr. Major General Elmo Francisco O. Sarona from our Philippine National Police. Brigadier General Roderick C. Armamento. ASEC Dominic Tolentino of TESDA. Chairperson Sandy Montano of the Philippine Commission on Women. Our Yusek Fita Aldaba of the DTI. Our municipal mayors from the 14 city and towns or municipalities of the province of Rizal. Our municipal and city health officers of the 14 LGUs of Rizal. To all other provincial directors, to all other regional directors, to all the guests. And of course, our friend from TESDA, DDG Lina Sarmiento. Sa inyo pong lahat, welcome to the province of Rizal. For the welcome remarks, may we call on the Honorable Vice Governor of the province of Rizal, Honorable Reynaldo San Juan Jr.
To the members of the National Interagency Task Force, Secretary Francisco Duque of DOH, Secretary Eduardo Año of DILG, Secretary Vivencio Dizon from BCDA, Secretary Ramon Lopez of DTI, Secretary Silvestre Bello III of DOLE, Secretary Rolando Bautista of DSWD, General Manager Jojo Garcia of MMDA, USEC Isidro Purisima, NICOPAP, USEC Glenn Pahe of DSWD, ASEC Francine Laksamana of DOH, to our Governor, Governor Rebecca Nina Inares, ma'am, former Governor Ito Inares, former Governor June Inares, sa mga members po ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan present here today, sa mga mayors po ng 14 na bayan dito sa ating lalawigan, headed by our League of Municipality President, Mayor Cesar Inares, the President of the Liga ng mga Barangay, Cap Ruel Estrella, Major General Arnulfo Marcel Burgos Jr., Brigadier General Alex Rillera, fellow public servants, other distinguished guests, sa ating pong lahat, magandang umaga po. Una po sa lahat, lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagbisita sa lalawigan ng Rizal. We are privileged to host the distinguished prime movers of the government in our fight against COVID-19. Ever since the declaration of the National State of Health Emergency and National State of Calamity and the imposition of ECQ on March 16, brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, Rizal Province has done its fair share of controlling the spread of this disease. As early as March, we have alerted our people, especially our local officials and other government agencies in the province, on the necessary things to minimize, if not to eliminate this problem. We have done many things in tandem with DILG, DOH, DSWD, PNP, AFP, and other government instrumentalities to control the spread of COVID-19, and at the same time, assured our people that their provincial government, headed by Governor Nini Inares, is ready to help. However, this may not be enough. It is a heartwarming experience and a privilege to have discussions with experts and fellow leaders in this platform. Especially with coordinated actions, we know the people of Rizal and all the areas that will benefit in this program will now be capable of at least being part of the solution and be benchmarkers in our collective trust in defeating COVID-19. Kaya nga po, napakagandang initiative ang magkaroon nitong Coordinated Operations to Defeat Epidemic or CODE dahil magiging isang buo, sabay-sabay at magkakaayon ang ating gagawin mula ngayon patungkol sa pagsugpo ng COVID-19. Makakaasa po kayo, ang Rizal, sa pangunguna po ng ating Governor, Governor Rebecca Nini Inares, ay kasama at kaisa ninyo sa paglikha ng mabisang mga hakbangin upang mapigilan ang pagtaas ng mga kaso ng COVID-19 sa ating bansa. Muli, maraming salamat sa National Interagency Task Force, sa Regional Task Force, sa paggabay sa ating pamahalaan lokal, sa ating mga ginagawang hakbang upang hindi na madagdagan at kaso at mapigilan itong pandemya. On behalf of our Governor, Governor Rebecca Nini Inares, and the people of the province of Rizal, thank you very much. Welcome and mabuhay.
Marami pong salamat, Vice Governor June Ray San Juan. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, before we start with the meeting proper, may we request our friends from media to go to the holding room. Bago po tayo magsimula ng meeting proper, inayayahan po natin ang ating mga kaibigan sa media, please proceed to the holding room. Thank you very much po.